Good morning, everyone. Hello, kids. Now it's coloring period, and today we are going to color in ice cream. You all love ice cream? Yes. So, this ice cream is softy. And how many colors we required? 3 colors: orange, pink and red. Orange, pink and red. Look here. First of all, do outlines like this. पहले धीरे धीरे आउटलाइंस में करेंगे जिससे कि कलर आपका बाहर नहीं निकलेगा. नाउ टेक पिंक कलर. वेट, दिस इज ऑल्सो ऑरेंज कलर. नाउ टेक पिंक कलर. First of all, do outlines. Slowly, like this. Now, red color. Now fill inside. In the same direction. In the same direction you have to do like this. Now take orange color in the same direction. Now ice cream is completed. Like this you have to color. Okay, take care, enjoy your coloring. Bye bye.